Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're putting a bold twist on burgers with these Portabella mushroom caps, and we're kicking them up with our habanero coffee sauce. These have a rich, mouth-watering grilled flavor packed with the punch from the king of flavor. We'll kick this recipe off with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, we'll add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and now 1 ounce of our El Yucateco Habanero and coffee. This is really going to set off those umami flavors. Just give that a quick stir, and once you've got your mushrooms unpackaged, rinsed, and dried, go ahead and brush this generously onto all surfaces. These are now ready for the grill. Grill these at medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they become tender. Then you can melt your favorite cheese if you like, toast your burger buns, and of course you can set these up any way you like with all of your favorite toppings. These are colorful, juicy, and delicious. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.